Alright guys, September is already here and I've spent the last few days putting together a list of the top 5 winning products for you to sell this month. From TikTok's hottest trends to the top performers on the Facebook ads library, these are the best dropshipping products to sell right now. And if you want more products just like these delivered straight to your inbox, don't forget to sign up for our winning product notifications linked down below. My name's Alex if you're new. Let's get right into the video. Alright, here we have our top 5 winning product list for September. Like always, I'll leave this exact presentation linked for you in the description down below. You guys can download this. I already have the top 5 AliExpress suppliers for each one of these products already linked for you. You'll find that on the last slide. So make sure to download this and take advantage of that. And while you're down there, sign up for our winning product notifications. You'll get the hottest dropshipping products delivered straight to your email inbox every 2 weeks at no cost to you guys. And with all that being said, let's go over the first winning product for September. All right guys, product number 1 is this self-draining mop that you see right here. I said cater to the growing demand for efficient and time-saving cleaning solutions while capitalizing on customers preparing their homes for fall and the holiday season that's ahead. It's racked up over 5,000 recent orders on AliExpress, while also making waves on TikTok and the Facebook ads library. You can sell this self-draining mop for $49.99, costing you $12.44 on AliExpress, for a profit of $37.55 per sale with a profit margin of 75%. So it's a great product with some great margins. And as you guys start working with these AliExpress suppliers, you should be able to get that cost down the more sales that you make. The interests I would start off targeting on Facebook ads for this product would be cleaning, housekeeping, and home decor. So let's go ahead and take a look at another store that's already selling this mop, what their success strategies are, and what you guys can improve on. And then we'll go ahead and look at a TikTok that's actually highlighting this product. All right, so right here we have the luxury home self-draining mop from Household Enterprises. They seem to be a niche store in the household niche, selling cleaning supplies and all of that good stuff. They're selling it for $45, marked down from $77. I don't like these variant options right here. They only have one option, total 2 mop head. They should just take that off entirely. It's not needed. They have the moving add to cart button right here. They have some high quality images, obviously taken straight off of AliExpress on the left hand side right here. But nonetheless, they're pretty high quality. They do a good job representing the product. They have some gifts down here in the description. Well, it looks like that's all their description really is, are these 2 gifts right here. So I would definitely add some supporting facts, some features and benefits, kind of divide it up a little bit with the storytelling elements that we always talk about in these videos. Scroll down, they have their customer feedback. They have 12 5-star reviews, 1 4-star review down here, obviously imported off of AliExpress or Amazon. But there's really not much that goes into this product description. I would definitely clean it up a little bit more, get rid of this variant up here, maybe add some bundles and upsells and just try to increase our average order value. But other than that, it's a decent description. I would just do a little bit more to justify that $45 price point. So here's a decent TikTok video highlighting this product in use, using a bunch of downloaded clips that they have just pieced together. It's just showing how useful this product actually is for cleaning your home, reaching all the different spots down there, cleaning up all of your dirt and grime and mess that can be in your house. It's all right. No call to action. I don't like that. All right, product number 2 is this kids cooking set that I found straight off of TikTok. I said kids toys always outperform during back to school season, while holidays are just around the corner. The TikTok posted in the past few weeks has already gained over 30 million views, 2.6 million likes, just highlighting this product. You can easily remake these videos to have the same amount of success selling this winning product yourself. You guys can sell this cooking set for $45.99, costing you $14.67 on AliExpress, for a profit of $31.32 per sale, with a good profit margin of 68%. If you guys start off running this product on Facebook ads, the 3 interests I would start off targeting would be family, kids toys, and parenting. So let's go ahead and take a look at the actual TikTok we're talking about, as well as another store that's currently selling this product. All right, here's the TikTok that I found this product on. It's already got 2.8 million likes, 12,000 comments, almost 80,000 shares. And look how easy this content is. They're just showing this product in use, highlighting how cool it is for your kids. Now this is the same exact product page from the TikTok that we just watched. So it brings you from that TikTok over to this page right here. They're selling it for $28.49. Content taken straight off of AliExpress. And a simple description right here that looks like it was written using ChatGPT. They don't have any imported reviews. They have similar products down here, but no upsells. They have 2 color options for their variants, no sale, no gifts, no supporting videos. Well, they do have a video right here, which isn't bad. I mean, it's decent for their product page. But other than that, there's really not much that goes into this product description. And it's doing a great job for this brand that's already selling it on TikTok. So if you guys just make a couple improvements yourself, you guys can see the same amount of success, if not more. All right, product number 3 are these dog jackets. I said September brings the start of fall, and for many people, winter prep. These dog jackets are currently trending, and it's the best time to start selling them on your dropshipping stores. Google searches for these are uptrending fast according to Google Trends. But if you guys want to sell this product, I would recommend selling it for $49.99, costing you guys $11.19 on AliExpress. Depending on which jacket you sell, there's really not like one specific type that's selling more than the others. It's just the overall trend of people going out and buying these dog jackets for their dogs as the weather starts to cool down. You guys are making a profit of $38.80 per sale with a high profit margin of 78%. And if you guys want to start off testing these with Facebook ads, the 3 interests I would start off targeting would be dog walking, bark box, and dog lovers. So let's go ahead and take a look at a store that's currently selling this product with some success, as well as a TikTok highlighting this product and generating sales. So right here we have the waterproof dog vest from My Kind of Comfort. I was curious, so I took a look over their store, and they are a general dropshipping store. They have nothing to do with the dog niche other than selling a couple of pet products. Right off the bat, this is the worst website and product page that we've come across in any of these videos. I don't like this background color. I don't like any of the colors on their website. Obviously, you guys know color is very important to your logo and your branding. It's one of the elements that ties everything in together and promotes trust with your brand. But you guys don't want to sacrifice the quality and the visual aspect of your website by adding a ton of different background colors and throwing things all over the place. Keep it black and white. You guys can add colors on your buttons, your logos, other parts of your store. But other than that, you guys don't want to ruin the look of your product page by adding all these crazy background colors. I don't know how long I can stay on this product page because I don't like it and it hurts my eyes, but we'll go ahead and take a look over it. They have some AliExpress content over here for their product placeholder images. Doesn't look like they did much with them. They have just a paragraph down here for their description. They have our guarantee, shipping. So I don't like any of this. Then they have their frequently bought together, other products that are completely unrelated to this dog product that we're looking at right now. They have 36 imported reviews, 35 5-star ratings, a 1 4-star rating. A lot of times it's good to throw on at least 1 or 2 4-star ratings so that your customers actually trust your brand, because most people realize that you just are importing these reviews and when you only have good reviews on your store. They have them you may also like down here again with completely unrelated products other than this dog safety leash right here. So there's really not much I like about this product description. You guys can do so much better when you guys go to build these out yourself. Just focus on having high quality images, having a good description, add GIFs in there if you can find them, add how many high quality images you can find in your description, add quantity breaks, add upsells, similar products, make sure you're importing your reviews, having trust badges. There's so much that goes into a good product page, and this store just does not do it. All right, so here's a fun TikTok video with a golden retriever highlighting a dog jacket, showing that they're not going outside because it's raining, but now he has his jacket and now they can actually go. So it's a great video, almost 40,000 likes, and it's making its rounds on TikTok. So you guys can create anything that's similar to this with the call to action at the end, link in bio. All right, product number 4 is blowing up all over, and that's the electric pedicure tool. I said with viral video showcasing its instant and satisfying results, getting millions of views on TikTok and an engaged community on Instagram, eagerly sharing their experiences, this is your golden opportunity to offer customers a must-have self-care tool, driving high demand and great profit margins for your dropshipping store. You guys can sell this product for $34.99, costing you $9.46 on AliExpress for a profit of $25.80 $1.53 per sale with a great profit margin of 73%. If you guys want to start off testing this product on Facebook ads, the 3 interests that I would start off targeting would be self-care, pedicure, and personal care. Those are 3 obvious choices. So let's go ahead and take a look at another store that's already successfully selling this product, see what they're doing right, what you guys can improve on, as well as the TikTok that's highlighting the benefits and features of this product for another store. All right, this is the electric foot file and callus remover from Coffee Strict. They're another general dropshipping store. Right away, they offer this $2 coupon. I got hit with one of those pop-ups as soon as I landed on this page, so I like that. There's already an incentive to buy by offering a discount. They're selling it for $29.99, marked down from $59.98. They have their quantity breaks right here. Buy $80 and save $5. Buy $120 or more, save $10. So I already like all that. You guys can increase the quantity down here. Their images could be a little bit better. It looks like they're very compressed right away, so they could clean up some of these images and just have, this is very compressed, very low quality. So they want to clean them up, have some more high quality images of this product, show it in use, all of that good stuff. Scroll down to their description down here. They have some GIFs showing this product in use, highlighting the features and the benefits. They have a decent description down here divided by high quality images and GIFs showing before and afters. There's specifications down here, so they could definitely clean up this description a little bit, make it flow a little bit better. Overall, it just doesn't look that great. Scrolling down, they have the you may also like. I like that these products are actually all related to the original one that we're looking at, even though it shows the same exact product 3 more times, 4 more times. And then more related products down here. They don't have any reviews imported. No section on their website for reviews. I don't like that because honestly, reviews are essential these days. Your customers trust reviews like they trust word of mouth from a friend, according to a recent study. So you guys need to be having these on your product pages. But other than that, I would just clean it all up, make it flow a little bit better. They have almost everything you need, but there's just a little bit more that they're lacking. All right, so here's a TikTok video highlighting this product and selling it for another brand. It looks like they just grabbed all of these videos straight from AliExpress and threw them all together for a TikTok, but it's performing decently, so you guys can do the exact same thing until you get this product in your own hands. All right, product number 5. This product is everywhere right now, but it's still not oversaturated to avoid. You guys can sell this and still make a decent amount of profits in September. I said, well, September marks the transition from summer to fall. It still falls within peak golfing season, making it a great time to sell a golf trainer. As avid golfers aim to improve their skills before the season winds down, positioning your product as a valuable tool for perfecting their game could capture their attention and drive more sales. It's once again gaining traction if you check the Facebook ads library. You guys can look on there and see all of the other stores that are successfully selling this product using Facebook ads, and you guys can copy some of their strategies yourself. You guys can sell this product for $49.99, costing you $7.85 on AliExpress, for a profit of $42.14 with a high profit margin of 84%. If you guys want to start off testing this product on Facebook ads, the 3 interests that I would start off targeting would be golf, golf course, and golf club. So let's go ahead and take a look at another store successfully selling this product, what improvements you guys can make, as well as a TikTok highlighting this product. All right, this is the foldable golf swing training aid stick from Gatel. They're actually another general dropshipping store, and I was pretty surprised looking at that because this is a decent product description for a general dropshipping store. It's well branded. They have their color options right here, their right and left hand version down here, so I already like the variant options that they have. They have their trust badges down here, and they have a very well written product description. You guys can see they have their headlines, they have their supporting paragraphs, they have their supporting GIFs. Everything's divided well, it flows well. They have everything, divided up here with their check marks. They have specifications with more bullet point lists, their satisfaction guarantee. Then they have 21 reviews down here. They imported some reviews. They don't have any upsells. They don't have any similar or related products, but this is a very good product description, especially for them being a general dropshipping store, because most people don't pay much attention to their descriptions, but they're also ranking pretty high on Google for this product. They have some high quality product images over here. obviously taken right off of AliExpress but thrown on Canva and edited for their own branding and for their website. They did a great job with this product. I would just add a couple of things on here if I was making this product description myself. But other than that, they have everything you need to justify that $49.95 pricing point. Good job to them. All right, I know I said TikTok, but here is a very well put together Facebook ad highlighting this product and generating sales with almost 5,000 likes on Facebook. It's just a bunch of clips thrown together of golfing and this product in use, showing why you need the posture corrector for your golfing. Like I already mentioned, I found the top AliExpress suppliers for each one of these products. You'll find that on the last slide of this presentation. Make sure you click the link in the description down below so you guys can download this presentation and start working with these suppliers today. You now have 5 products to test and start making sales with in September. If you want more videos just like this, make sure to leave a like, share it with others, and subscribe for more. I have a ton of resources for you to check out in the description below. Don't miss out on any of those. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.